Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. So today in this video, I am going to discuss episode 88 to episode 90 title, summary and their respective release date. Along with today I also come with a merchandise scan which suggests about some upcoming events that we could see. But before all that, I want you guys to like the video as a motivation purpose for me. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, let me first discuss about episode 88. So it's scheduled to be released on the 19th of November, Friday. Now its official title, Trial Mission, the Deep Sea Diver Research Team. And now its official summary, Go has received a trial mission from Project Mu. This one reads, Get a wild Kingdra. After consulting eyewitness reports of wild Seadra, he heads to the Huin region with Satoshi. The two immediately start researching the sea, when they encounter Genji from the Huin region's Elite Four, who they decide to work with. Can go clear this mission without any trouble arising. So another Project Mu mission, which really seems interesting to watch. As first in this mission, Ash and Go will visit Hoenn region, where Go have to catch a wild Kingdra. And the best thing of this episode, that Hoenn Elite Four member Drake is going to make his return in this episode. And I'm really expecting to see a flashback scene in which we could see how Ash and Drake had met. Also it could be so awesome if in the flashback scene we could see May and Max. As up to now, we hadn't seen anything related Ash Hoenn gang. Although whatever will happen, currently from the preview it seems to me that the main focus is going to be on Go completing his Project Mu mission. Still I'm looking forward to see what we could see from Ash and Drake's side. Now let me discuss about episode 89. Since before that I already wants to conclude something, that on the 26th of November Friday, there is no episode to be aired. That's why episode 89 is scheduled to be released on 3rd of December Friday. And now its title, Dialga and Palkia, the Space-Time Cataclysm. So from 3rd of December, the Winter Sinnoh arc is going to start finally. In which we'll see Dialga and Palkia, with parallel universe concept. Also Dawn and Cynthia is to feature to appear for this winter arc. Now let me discuss about episode 90. So it's scheduled to be released on 10th of December Friday. Now its title, Dialga and Palkia, the Decisive Space-Time Battle. Since we don't know right now, that how many episodes this arc will actually contain, but at least now 2 episodes are confirmed. In which it seems that, in episode 89 Dawn Piplup is going to get kidnapped by parallel universe Dawn. And we will see that Sinnoh is facing various Pokemon missing case and a mysterious portal is keep opening too, because of Dialga and Palkia. And then perhaps in episode 90, Ash and the gang will go to the parallel world where they will see Dialga and Palkia fight. Whatever, we really don't have much details about this arc, so I think we better wait to get it. However, I had already break down the special preview, so if you want then you can check out it, link is in the I button. And now at last, let me discuss about this recent merchandise scan. So out here we first see a Garchomp, which is most probably going to be of Cynthia. Then we have a Darkrai here, which is a little suspicious, still I think maybe there is a one more Darkrai who is going to appear in this series. And who knows, that maybe this Darkrai is going to be of Tobias. Whatever, then we have a Ampharos here, about which some rumors are rolling up recently. That it's an indication of Jasmine return, as various people are saying from few days that this middle girl is Jasmine. However, if you asks me, that I'm not so sure about it right now. Although then we have a Flareon here, about which I think that it's going to be Chloe Eevee next encounter. And now finally we have a Shaman here, which most probably going to appear in any upcoming episodes. Also it's not so surprising now, as throughout the series we are actually seeing various legendary and mythical Pokemon to appear. And with all that being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys had enjoyed it, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. Also be sure to comment your thoughts about the upcoming episode events. Now at last, as always, if you guys like to interact with me, then you can follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.